How to fix Legend Fighter Mortal Battle crashing or freezing issue on your Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. While playing Legend Fighter, if your application keeps freezing or crashing, then these issues are often caused by outdated software, insufficient storage, or temporary app glitches. So follow these troubleshooting steps to get the game running smoothly again. The first thing you want to do is to restart your Legend Fighter game. Drag upwards from the bottom of your screen while you are inside your Legend Fighter app, and once you bring up this app switcher, go ahead and close it off completely. Close off all the background running apps and launch open Legend Fighter once again. Restarting your game will help you refresh your application and you might fix most of the issues right there. The next thing you want to do is to restart your device to clear a temporary system issue that may be affecting the game. Press and hold the power switch of your Android device and click on Restart and restart your device. Once you restart the device, go ahead and open up Google Play Store. In the search bar, type in Legend Fighter and search. Once you find this Legend Fighter game in the search result, tap on Update if there is available. If you see an update button, click on it to download the latest version of the game. Once you have the latest version installed on your device, click on the play button to launch open the game once again. Make sure that you free up your storage space by deleting unused applications or files if your device is running low on available storage. While you are inside the game, go to the top left corner and tap on the gear button. And once you're inside this general tab, go to quality and set it to low. Under FPS, set it to 30. And this might also help you fix your crashing or freezing issue by decreasing the graphics setting for the game. Also make sure that you are using a stable internet connection because unstable network can sometimes cause the game to freeze during loading or online gameplay. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.